down almost an hour, and I know that it will not do anything, but just I can't just watch it by myself, feel everything I'm feeling right now, feel angry, feel helpless by myself. I just still cannot believe that this is happening for our children. Israel until now killed almost 17,000 children in the most brutal ways ever, and yet it's not enough. 2 hours ago, these children were playing football in the street in the Shata refugee camp in the west of Gaza City, in the north of Gaza Strip, and they were like playing in the middle of the rubble of the partially destroyed places because they're children and they don't know anything else to face all of this but playing. And they were killed 2 hours ago. They were playing around their mothers and fathers who are not helpless also, and now there are coffins and they died just like the thousands of children before. These people did not evacuate the north of Gaza Strip, not only because they stick to their right to stay, but also because people are not safe in the south. People are not safe in the south. 2 days ago, Rafidia massacre in Rafidia school in Deir al-Balah happened. About 30 people were killed, and we also saw children cut into pieces, just hands away from heads, away from legs, and all these scenes that keep reminding us that they are trying to normalize all of these things. They are besieging the north of Gaza Strip for the 9th day in a row. Then when some people succeeded to escape to Gaza City, also in the north of Gaza Strip, they bombed them. They keep bombing people wherever they are, in Jabalia, in Beit Hanun, in Beit Lahia, in Saftawi, in Gaza, in Rimal, in Shata, in Shujaiya, in Tufah, everywhere, just everywhere. Because it's the thing. They don't have rules. It's a genocide. The only thing they want is to kill people. To kill the people. To reach to a zero population, no Palestinians, like annihilated Palestinians, by killing them.